they're not naming any legislators yet. Aside from, of course, the senators that were named in the House hearing. So
Well, that,
you think it's the public nature, of the conduct of the Blue Ribbon Committee that they are afraid to name names?
well, I ano says, to be honest with you, I think it's my own assessment. It's Bryce Hernandez and JP Mendoza who are doing the implementation part, no? Meaning the project management part. And their boss, who I think was very elusive, his demeanor, it seems that he's just taking all the blame, no? Saying that he was negligent, that he signed everything. But I think, and I suspect that Engineer Henry Alcantara, the district engineer, is the missing link to the proponents, if ever, or higher officials of the DPWH.
I mean, he's very confident, Senator, no? Na parang wala akong alam, kahit na may litrato na, there is a photo. And he's denying this. So do you think there's some high people? Do you have any ideas as early as now, or even Senator Ping, since he's an investigator, sino kaya yung mga backers niya?
Well, that's what we want to find out in the coming days. Probably one or two more hearings. Senator Lacson said he doesn't want to drag this on, and he would want as soon as possible to pass all the information gathered to the ICI. But I'm hoping, no, as I mentioned, I suspect that Engineer Alcantara might be then linked to the higher officials, and from his demeanor, I have observed that he is. It seems that he is holding back in naming some people higher than him.